Hey guys, sorry we haven't made a video in a while. Best if I make a nice Christmas map as my guys. We have one more day until Christmas. And yeah. Sorry if you get pissed at me for doing that, but I kind of do that. It's a thing here. Sorry, as you can see, YouTubers, we already started decorating our tree. Got some gifts. Some other gifts right there. Yeah, I got this. Well, the Nerf gun, Hellfire. This thing's pretty good. As you can see here. It's pretty mag. Accelerates it, then when it's being accelerated, So, yep, it's pretty neat. Two stockings. Yeah. I hope you guys can wait till tomorrow. Sorry we haven't made a video in a while. One thing though, guys. On Christmas, I am going to make a video of what I'm getting in that crap. Like what I get. Let's just cross our fingers, guys. So yeah, hope we can get a better camera. You know? Let's do that. I'm sorry about that. I was just thinking about this one girl. Yeah, I'm pretty stressed in real life too. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please tune into tomorrow's video. Well, let's just say 12-ish, whatever time it is, because it's 1:33 now. 10. But it's 1:33 now. So in about 9-ish hours, I'll see you guys. You will see this video though. I'm kind of sleepy too. Yep, as you can see, I am pretty big into reading. See here, we got some nice stuff. And up to pages like 565, guys. So, yeah. I'll probably make another one at 5 if I'm awake. Cross your fingers if I'm awake at 5. And I'll make another video probably. So, yeah. This is Emil TST signing off from Glitching Assassins. Remember, we are a 4-man squad. Me, Emil TST, Famous Spins, Edie My War Master, and Kawasuku. I'm sorry guys, I changed it. My friend Ryan doesn't want to do it anymore, so we're adding Kawasuku. I hope you guys like this stuff, because we're going through a lot of stuff just to do it. So yeah, Cypher videos are crappy. Gotta deal with it until I get a better camera. So yeah, peace. Be rich.